Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, procuring 400 plus medium class helicopters from HAL. HAL chairman CB Anantakrishnan revealed that after thorough discussions with the Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force, the combined requirement for the IMRF RH stand at 419 units. The new 12 to 13 ton class medium weight helicopter is set to replace the aging Mi-17 series helicopters currently in service. Next, converting T-72 into autonomous main battle tanks. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine has underscored the enduring importance of main battle tanks in a modern warfare. The use of both old and new MBTs by Russia has highlighted the necessity of maintaining substantial reserves to address the potential for prolonged conflict, which can stretch over months or even years. The scenario has significant implications for militaries worldwide, including the Indian Army, which ranks 5th global in MBT number. Next, robotics and digital manufacturing for NG helicopters. HAL, a state-owned aerospace giant, is gearing up for the future with plans to adopt a suite of advanced robotics and digital manufacturing tools. This integration aims to revolutionize the design, production and support system for their military helicopters, specifically the medium-class Indian multi-role helicopter. Next, world's first tabletop cold fusion reactor for clean energy. A Hyderabad-based company, Hylena, has caused a stir by unveiling a potentially revolutionary technology, a low-energy nuclear reactor designed for household use. The compact reactor, claimed to be the world's first cold fusion technology for clean energy generation, could fit right on a tabletop and provide enough power for a typical home. Next, high-powered laser beam control system. DRDO Center for High Energy Systems and Sciences has issued an expression of interest for the design and development of a beam control system for a high-power laser. This system is anticipated to be a critical component in the development of advanced laser weapons. Next, revolutionizing UAV-based LiDAR mapping. IdeaForge Technology Limited, a global leader in drone technology, announced a strategic partnership with Inertial Labs, a pioneer in innovative inertial sensor and integrated GPS system. This collaboration aims to integrate Inertial Labs' cutting-edge RESAPI LiDAR solution into IdeaForge high-performance UAV, delivering enhanced accuracy and reliability for aerial data collection and 3D mapping. The partnership addresses the growing demand for LiDAR-based drones, which industries such as surveying, mapping, mining, construction, forestry, power and inspection, and search and rescue. Thank you.